Oh, the hybrid cars. Those things so quiet. You don't even know the motor is on. Who want a car like that? Beta!
In today's video, we're going to show you how to get your E30 running if you're experiencing any issues. So if you're experiencing any issues with your E30, we're going to get that running today.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too, I'ma put a ride on ya.
Welcome back everyone to 915 Beamer Garage. I'm your boy Law Dog. We are very excited in today's video. First off, we just want to let you guys know we appreciate your support. Thank you so much for your patience. It's been a while, it's been a little hiatus. We've been very busy, but we're back, and again with great excitement because we have the E30 up and running. So now we're going to go ahead and show you how we got the car running. So all we had to do was adjust the throttle stop screw. So let's show you where the screw is. So that screw determines how much air runs through the actual throttle. So just grab a flathead screwdriver and go ahead and start adjusting at this location at the top of the screw. The correct procedure for tightening this bolt or screw is as follows. If the throttle stop screw didn't fix the issue, then we're going to go ahead and show you how to get the car running. The idle control valve, the throttle position sensor, the coolant temperature sensor, the crankshaft position sensor, and as for the CPS, we didn't even have to remove the rotor or cap or anything. We actually just squeeze our hand in, we're able to unscrew and replace it in that manner. All brand new 6 spark plugs, a brand new fuel pump and new fuel filter. We also got a fuel pressure regulator, the fuel pump relay. We also bought the fuel pump fuse number 11, which is one of the first things you're going to want to check. We were on the verge of changing the mass flow air sensor until we realized the problem. So when all was said and done, we didn't have to spend all that money on extra parts because it could be very simple. All you gotta do is take your flathead and adjust it, and you can actually get it running before you spend any money. It's free. So thanks again for watching today's video. Don't forget to comment below and thank us for getting your vehicle running because we know we fixed the issue. We also want to say thank you. We really appreciate your support again, and go ahead and make sure that if you do like us, go ahead and subscribe, and follow us, because again, it's DIY, and we want to make sure we do it the cheapest and most efficient and best way you can. We know that the mechanics out there just doing their jobs. We're not saying don't go to them, especially if you have your own mechanic, but if you can do it yourself, who's going to love your car more than you? Who's going to treat it better and make sure everything was done correctly, better than yourself.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the